Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we're going to go through some logarithm problems that I have my Algebra 2 students doing for homework. So this first one here, we're going to write the following logarithmic expression in a different form using the quotient rule. We have the natural logarithm of x minus the natural logarithm of y. Well, if we work backwards on the quotient rule here, we can just write this as the natural logarithm of x divided by y. Okay, so that's that first one. Let's take a look at another. All right, next one, rewrite and simplify the following logarithmic expression. We have log base 2 of 16 times x. So first off, we're going to use the product rule to separate this into the log base 2 of 16 plus the log base 2 of x. Now log base 2 of 16, that's basically, if you want to figure out what that is, you're asking yourself 2 to what power equals 16? Or how many 2's do we have to multiply together to get 16? Well, let's work this out. So if we do 2 times 2, that gives you 4, times 2 again, that gives you 8, times 2 again, that gives you 16. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So the log base 2 of 16 is 4. And we can't do anything with this because we don't know what x is. So we're just going to write this as log base 2 of x. So my solution is 4 plus log base 2 of x. Okay, let's take a look at another one. All right, so rewrite and simplify the following expression. We have the natural log of e over x. So I'm going to use the quotient rule to write this as the natural log of e minus the natural log of x. Well, if you know the logarithm property, log of the base, the natural logarithm has a log with the base e. So we're essentially asking e to what power would equal e? Well, e to the first power equals e, so natural logarithm of e is just 1. We don't know what x is, so we just leave it as 1 minus the natural logarithm of x. Okay, we got one more. All right, rewrite and simplify the following expression. We have log base 5 of 125 over q. So again, I'm going to use the quotient rule to write this as log base 5 of 125 minus log base 5 of q. Okay, log base 5 of 125, well, we got to ask how many 5's do we multiply together to get 125? Well, if we do 5 times 5, that gives me 25, so we're not there yet. But if we multiply by 5 again, we get 125, so we have 1, 2, 3 5's. So this is 3. We don't know what q is, so we're going to leave this as 3 minus log base 5 of q. And there we go. If this video helped you, please give a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also, if you have questions, leave a comment in the comments below.